Welcome back everyone. Today I've got a really exciting recipe for you. We're going to be making some Lebanese baba ganoush using some homemade yogurt. Baba ganoush is quite simple, but for the best outcome you need to get a couple of things right. One of those things is charring the eggplants. Charring the eggplants over a gas hob is going to make sure that we get a really nice smoky flavor, but it's okay if you don't have access to a gas hob. You can do this in the oven. You might forego a little bit of smoke, but that's okay. You'll still get a really nice outcome. To prepare your eggplants, place them straight over the flame of a gas burner or barbecue and allow the skin to get nice and charred and the flesh to get tender and soft. Turn it every couple of minutes. It'll slowly deflate as it cooks. It'll take around 15 minutes. Once they're done, place them in a bowl and cover with plastic wrap to allow them to steam and soften for around 15 minutes. Then you can place the eggplants in a sieve over a bowl, slice them open and allow them to sit and drain for a few minutes until fully cooled and the excess water has drained out. Once they're cool enough to touch, cut off the stem and peel the charred crispy skin off and discard that. Place the cooked eggplant flesh into a bowl and use a fork to break it down into smaller pieces. Then you can add 1/4 cup of tahini, 1/3 cup of thick Greek-style dripped homemade yogurt, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 minced garlic clove, a good pinch of salt, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. You can serve this as is, or you can think about some extra toppings. You could use some sumac or smoked paprika, some toasted pine nuts, toasted sesame seeds. Fresh herbs also work really well, like parsley and mint. You can serve this on its own as a dip with some Lebanese bread, or you can make it as a side dish to accompany a bigger spread. So there you go, it's smoky, fresh and healthy. A great way to use up your homemade yogurt as well. Baba ganoush is one of my favorite things in the world to eat, and I think you're gonna love it as well. Let us know if you try it for yourself in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele life recipes coming up. If you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us, and we'll be back soon with another great recipe.